Hi everyone, it's Judy. Welcome back to Rose Lane. All right, we are here today to do another unboxing for your creative studio. So that is what I am about to do. So I ever cut open the bag for making it a little bit more simple to do rather, but I have not opened the package. Now this one is for December. Last one I did was November. Her November kit, and I believe it was a baking kit. At least that's what it was called. This one is just called December. Let's go ahead and see what we have in here. Okay. All right, so here we are, your creative studio. Beautiful card. Just says, thank you so much for your, it says purchase, but I do this as kind of a thing just to do on my videos. She said, I hope you will enjoy our December collection. So I am just going to go ahead and try to cut through this label instead of tearing at it. I'm hoping, I don't want to be cutting anything underneath. All right, there we go. And let's see, let's try to do it this way. We'll get rid of the box. So that didn't work, did it? Okay, sorry for the noise. That just shows you how much stuff is in here. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put this down that way. Oh my. Let's see what we have here. All right, I'm just gonna pull everything sort of out. This box is open. So this is some round labels in red, blue, and green. It looks like we're already looking at stuff. So yeah, they're round sticky labels, perhaps. Let me see. I don't know. I don't think they're sticky labels. I'm trying to see if I can pull the backing off. Oh, I think they may be. Hang on. All right. Okay, there we go. So yeah, they are sticky labels, so that's convenient. So we have red, we have blue, we have green. So they're handy. Let's put those back in here. And we'll just put that to the side. We'll get the box to close. All right, let's see. Oh, isn't that cute? All right, let's just pull all of this out. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, put that down there. All right, there's some stickers. Some pretty blue, like blue and lavender flower stickers. Very pretty. Over here, we have some pretty tabs. It's almost like a lavender and blue, like a periwinkle theme. These are very nice tabs, very heavy, good thickness. So they would look like so. And there's a few different designs, I think. Some plainer, some a little bit less plain. Got like a little lace, or oh, actually, I'm looking at it. Actually, these are snowflakes on here. And then these would be violets. It has 3 with the violet, 2 with the violets on it. And then the rest are these snowflakey designs. So that's pretty nice. I am in frame, right? Yes, good. Let me actually just bring one up to the camera. Oh, there we are. So you can see that. Very pretty. You can see it's a good thickness. All right. I may just stand to do these. Just because it's easier for me if I want to bring something up to the camera for you to see. I'm sure that it's getting in the camera. All right, let's see what's in this nice package. Okay, this is a book. All right, it's like stamps. So it's a variety of like small collage pages with postage stamps and postmarks, things like that. So that's really cool. So it's like a travel thing. All right, let's try to get this back in here if I can, because you know how these bags are with their sticky stickies. Okay, let's put that over there. Did that one. All right, try sitting down again. My back is not happy today. I've been up and down the stairs, so having a little issue. All right, so this is a black and white collection. Small, it says Plant Small Bean Series. So these are kind of neat. Use those in collage. Little like line drawings of different plants. Coriander. So yeah. So that's kind of nice. There's several of each, so that's a good thing. I had an envelope. Here we go. Let's get that one back in here. Oops. Okay. And let's go to this little package. This is washi tape, it says, on the front. I think this is probably a little bit of a picture as to what it might look like. I'm actually, let me just, think this would be easier than trying to tear it. I think. Okay. That's pretty. I'm trying to find the end. Here we go, I think. Yeah. So we can get a better look at it. Roll that a little bit. Come on. There we go. Yeah. You can get a better look at what that, sorry about that. I let go of it because I'm looking in the camera. A better look at what that looks like with the florals on it. A little closer, maybe. There we go. Tip it towards me, get the glare off of it. But isn't that pretty? Okay. All right, let's put that back in its bag. And we'll put that over there. This one is a cling stamp. Try to do this one this way. There we go. It's nice envelopes too. Okay, so this one is like a poinsettia with greenery, and looks like it goes this way. I don't know how well that will show up because I'm trying to keep the glare off of it, but you can see poinsettia and some greenery, and then like some postage. Okay. Get it real close to the camera. There you go. That looks very nice. Okay, good. So that's a pretty Christmas stamp. All right, what do we have in this? Is another stamp. So, trying to spare the envelopes a little bit. Okay, not mutilate them so much. All right, so this one, oh, isn't that pretty? It's a pretty corner, like a side one. Let me try to, that's a Christmas rose and some greenery. The Christmas rose there. Very pretty. I know I'm bringing it way up. I'm trying to get you to be able to see the detail and keep the glare and the shadow off it at the same time. So there you go. Very pretty. Very pretty. I'm getting my exercise today. I'm up and down in this chair. Okay, so this is going to be, you know what? Here's another little package. Let's go to this. It's a little suitcase. Isn't that the cutest thing? All right, let's see. All right. So it's tin, a metal hinge, little suitcase, and it's got postcard in the Eiffel Tower, a clock, an old car, some roses, stamp, some script in the background. Very neat. Oh, and it is just empty, so you can use it for maybe small stamps if you had fussy cut stamps that you wanted to cut out and have a place to put. Put them in there. That's very, very cute. Loving that. I'm not going to worry about putting that back in the bag, so we'll get rid of that bag. Okay, let's see what is here. This pretty paper. All right. You know I'm going to have trouble with this one, right? Okay, so let's just try to fold it back a little bit and see if we can keep it from getting caught on what we're doing here. I don't know. Well, I split it a little bit. I honestly don't know how people get this stuff into these packages. So these are really pretty. These are, I'm guessing, 6x6. Yeah. So these are 6x6 squares. And they've got these sort of lavendery roses, and there's a little bit of snowflakes. And make sure it's very good quality. So here you go again, some more roses, some more roses. I didn't put my sign on the door that said I was filming, but they were watching a basketball, excuse me, basketball game. So I was kind of hoping they wouldn't, you know, remember me, that they would just stay upstairs and leave me be. You might hear them laughing in the background. It's my husband and my brother-in-law. So okay, so those are really, really pretty. Loving those. Pretty colors. Look, it worked, yay! All right, put that one over there. This is a sticky notepad because it says. Nothing gets past me, guys. Okay, let's go ahead, fold that back and see if. Now, I mean, this is going to be, I would assume, they're all the same. Actually, it's stuck to that. One was stuck to it. So, to keep it, I guess, in place. So yeah. So there's a bunch of those in here. And that's pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in, even though I tore the one on the bottom. I'm sure it was stuck, you know, to the package so it didn't flop around inside the package. Okay, then there's this, says paper ephemera, which looks like it's probably similar to, see if I can find the opening here somewhat, similar to the 6x6s. Could actually be cut down from the 6x6s. Well, this is more papery, but it's a nice texture. It's got a really nice texture to the paper. It's really nice. So there's a few, it looks like, of each kind. So that's really pretty. Those are very nice. Doesn't say how many, but I'm gonna guess there has to be about 25, maybe, which is pretty nice. Okay. Get these guys back in their bag. Oh, and here we go. This is the last piece. This is washi. It's not all Christmas, which is really nice. You know, or winter even, being that this is a December package. Okay. Let's see what we can see about this. Okay. So, ooh, it's got a pretty rose. That's just the paper. That's just the card that this was sitting on. It's got a pretty rose on it. Okay, so it looks like they are all, no, they're not. Okay. So this one has got like cherries and holly on it. This is 4-leaf clovers and regular clovers. This is hydrangea. I would think these would be forget-me-nots. There's some roses. I'm guessing, looking at the leaves, it could be stylized, but no. Looking at the buds, these would be a carnation. Some purple violets here. And this would be baby's breath, or could be wrong foliage, but could be something like Lily of the Valley on there. So that's different. So this is washi. Let me show you. Okay, so sort of like a peel and stick washi, not washi, but sticker strips. And then there's this one. So this is some same one, well, sort of the same ones. This is the same, this is the same, this is the same, just wider. And then we have this one, which looks a little like maybe a dahlia or something. Very pretty. There's one of those. And then these are 4. They're, let me see if I can show you. They're 4 like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of the hydrangea and the roses. 1, 2, 3, 4. So really pretty. Now this is interesting because they go like this. So you can even still use this little strip around here if you wanted to for something. I'm not sure what, but you could probably use it if you're that thrifty. So let's just sort of lay these out, even though some of these things are still in their packages. I can take them out and just sort of show you what we have in here, which is kind of neat. Okay, we'll just spread those guys out so you can see those. Hopefully you can see. I don't want to get out of frame here. So those are the tabs. These are the black and white pictures. Oh my goodness, there's so much I don't think I could fit it in the camera. Okay, so those are some papers there. These are the, my goodness, can't get it all in. These are the Post-its. This is more paper. This is another, this is a stamp. I'll just put that kind of over there like that. And the other stamp, I'll just put that over here like this. Well, we'll put it up here. How about that? We'll put it up there. And then the little collection of stamp papers. So I'll try to pull that down just a little bit so you can see a little bit more of it. There we go. So that's it. That's quite a bit in that box. She packed it really well. So this was the December kit, and this is a subscription where you can get a new kit like this every month. And most of the time, for the most part, it is geared towards the month or holiday that's in or around that time, as I understand it. So that is it for today with our unboxing of Your Creative Studio. So have a good day, guys. Be blessed, be safe, be happy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.